Hello friends, today we are going to talk much about how to open the IDE. I think last week or in our last week tutorial we talked about how to open the IDE without talking much about the package and classes. Today we are taking our time to talk about how to create a project, how to create a package and how to create a class. Without taking much time, let us jump into our IDE. That's the NetBeans IDE, and this is the IDE I'm using for the tutorial. Okay, so this was just I was learning, or this is the tutorial I was writing about. So we are not talking about this thing. We are just going straight away by creating a package or creating a project and a package in a class as well. So let us jump. Create file. When you click file, a pop menu will come. This is the pop-up menu, and now you select what? New project. By selecting new project, we are not going to write anything here. Remember, we talked about on our last week's tutorial. So you just select Java, and then you press what? Next. You are going to give a name for what? Our Java what? Project. I call this part 2. You will not uncheck this one. When you open your own, it will be unchecked. It will be checked. So this is what you do. Click on it for it to be unchecked. Then you click finish. So as you can see from here, our project has been created. So we are going to create a class from our project. So you right click. You can do it this way. You can right click on this. You see, you can right click on the project, then you select new, you point to new, you point to what? Java package. Then you are going to give a name to a package. I'm going to leave my own like this, new package. By your own, you can give a name to the package. Then you click on finish. Again, we are going to create a class from our package. So you do what? You right click on the package, then you click on new, then you click on what? Class. And my name for the class, I'm going to leave it in that way, new class. But you can give a name to your class as well. Then you click on what? Finish. So the moment you click on finish, the environment will be ready for you. This is just a comment. Let us do it. So in our left hand, you can see the name of our package is what? Part 2. And then the name of our package is what? New package. And the name of our class is what? New class. Okay, let us import the main method. So public static void main. So this is our, in C++ we talk something about int main, but in Java the same main, but the access, that's public static void main. Public static void main. So we write string, let's bring the array, our array, then we open a brace. See, you open the brace. So here all our code are going to be written here. All our code are going to fall apart here in our int main. So let us print out hello world. So system.out.print ln as hello world. Okay, let me go back again and explain something. We first click on what? File. We select new project, then you give a name to our project, that's part 2, and then we right click on our project, we select new, and we select package. then you give a name to our package, and you came by right clicking on our package, and you select what, Java class, by creating our class name, what, this one, new class, and our environment was created. Then you import the main method that's probably started with main, that is string this arrays. Then you open a braces for the body of our code to be inside. Then we print out what, system.out.println, that is print line, that is hello world, and a print out hello world. So in Java, when you want to print out, anytime you want to print out something, or anytime you want to display anything, you use system.out.print print end line, that is the ln. Okay, somebody will ask me why the ll. Okay, let me copy this one. I'm going to show you something. In C++, we talk about end line. So let's say if let me clean up the ln and run my program and see if I execute the program. Let me build a program, then run the program. You see, hello world. So without the end line, that's where you see hello world. This end line means move to the next line, but here there is no end line, so this one print with this one, you combine with this one and print. So the moment you bring end line like this, like this, you see, let us run it again. So now you can see they move to the next line, that is hello world, without printing it together. So you see here, so the end line means move to the next line and go and do whatever is in the next line. So class, today this is where you end. So with a summary, we click on what, file, then you click on what, new project. You give a name to our project, that is part 2 here, and we right click on our project, we select what, Java package, and we give a name to our package, which is what, new package. Then we right click on our package, we point to new, then we select what, Java class. Then you give a name for our class, that is what, new class. It's a fit here. Let me take this one off. So this is our package name, new package. This is our class name. And a class name starts with what, capital letter, remember. Then we print out hello world. This is it. So today, this is where you end. Our next tutorial too will be made. Thank you, and thank you once again. Don't forget to